Hello Lean Ortho friends. Today, let's explore how AI is transforming patient care in orthodontics. AI has made remarkable strides in speeding up diagnosis, drastically reducing the time orthodontists need to assess radiographs and determine treatment plans. This means shorter waiting times for patients and faster referrals to specialists. With AI-powered intraoral scanners, the messy, uncomfortable impressions of the past are replaced by precise 3D digital scans, improving both patient comfort and diagnostic accuracy. AI-driven clear aligner therapies offer patients an effective and customized solution to malocclusion, while remote dental monitoring lets patients communicate progress through AI-powered apps, reducing the need for frequent visits. Chatbots like ChatGPT 4.0 also offer instant answers to orthodontic questions, ensuring patients stay informed and engaged in their treatment. Keep learning, stay curious, and let's make orthodontics smarter and more compassionate.